How to make a backpack, handbag, notebook, pen, and lollipop? Prepare a strip of sparkling foam paper. On the wrong side, mark the width of the template and draw a narrow rectangle. Carefully cut out a thin strip with a knife. Carefully remove the excess. Put the zipper on the bottom and glue it. Let's check how it works. According to the template, cut out the bottom with the valves. Glue the circular base of the backpack to the bottom. Smooth it well and press it for strength. Glue it along the back. Fold the edges of the upper part to give the desired shape. Insert it inside and fasten the upper valve. Decorate it along the edge with blue edging. Glue the Velcro fastener on the back of the valve and on the backpack. Close it. On the back, first fix a short handle, then fix 2 long straps. On a sheet of cardboard, draw an elegant flamingo and carefully cut out the bird's stencil. Transfer the drawing to pink foam paper. Add a wing, draw eyes and a beak. Make out slender black paws and glue them on a backpack. Fasten a gold chain with a pink pom-pom on the handle and admire the result. Barbie put on the backpack. Hello! On the golden yellow foam paper, draw a heart and carefully cut it out. Now we got the frame. The fabric with sequins is connected to the substrate and a yellow frame with a heart. Glue the spine, fold the leaves of the notebook, connect it to the back wall, and get a miniature notebook. Collect the green, white, and pink semicircles, add the black bones, and 2 watermelon halves are ready. Connect one part with the zipper, then the second one, press it well, cut off the extra zipper, carefully glue the sidewall in a circle. A marvelous bag! Barbie does not want to part with it anymore. Let's prepare chopsticks. Roll the pink clay into a sausage, combine it with other flowers, and carefully twist it into a flagellum. Then turn it into a circle and insert a stick into the tip. It's a lollipop! Cut off a wide tube. Flatten and glue one end. Fill it with gold glitter and cover with a layer of hot glue. Make a side of foam paper. Glue the plate. Carefully form the lid. Decorate the tube with rhinestones, a pretty gel. Paint the rod with varnish. String miniature pom-poms on the wire. Bite off the excess. Cut off the tip of the rod and connect it to the pom-poms. Super handle! It's time to fill the blue backpack. Put there a lollipop, a rainbow pen, a golden gel, a sparkling notebook. It's all here! Close it. In the purse, put a lip gloss and close the zipper. Barbie is very happy with her new clothes. A doll's backpack, a notebook with a heart, a fruit bag, a pen, a gel, and a sweet lollipop.